I know, I had my heated vest and just turned it off. I don't even think I need these gloves today. Here, I'm gonna switch spots with you. You come. Good, dude. No, I want you to catch a fish out here and make it worthwhile.
I will.
I told you. I told you.
Oh, like a little. I don't know. I don't care.
16 and a half?
Yeah.
Woo! Stole my fish.
Oh, dude.
I'm kidding. Beautiful start. Sean's on the board first.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Ooh.
Oh, damn.
Right on. Hell yeah.
You take PayPal?
Jeremy's guide service.
I might have to buy an MK300 just to come out here and secure a spot.
There's like 3 big fish right underneath me right there. There's one. I didn't skunk. Just a little guy, but hey.
Right where you said it was, right?
Yep. There was 3 of them sitting on a rock down there. All right, well, on the board. Sean's got 2 already. Not a big one, but little keeper. We're not even gonna measure that guy. 12 inches, 13 inches. Thanks, bud. All right, well, saw 3 fish on the graph, so we're gonna see if we can catch his buddies. There's one. Oh my God, this is a tiny one. It's embarrassing. Maybe. All right, well, I guess it beats not catching anything. Let's see if this thing would even go 12. Oh yeah, like 13 and a half. Well, 13 and a quarter. Number 2, 13. All right, well, maybe a bite window is about to open up now. Had a little lull there. Sean caught 2 right when we got here. I caught one shortly after, and then nothing for a while. And finally got another little bite there. Sean's on again over there. Get him! Nice. Right when you netted that fish, a fish jumped behind you too. I'm gonna leave this spot to you. I'm gonna head back to that spot. All right, a little update on the day. It's been a little slow out here today, and we can thank my wife for that. She thought it'd be cute to put a banana in my lunch pail. So I'm blaming it on her. That's why the fishing's slow this time. That, or because I'm filming. Of course, last time I was out here, it was epic and I wasn't filming. Filmed today and fishing's been slow. Sean's been doing pretty good out here though, so that's at least a positive. He came all the way up here and he's catching fish. Well, maybe it'll turn around. Just picked up a fish, and unfortunately a bass boat saw me catch it, and they're slowing down to probably move right in on top of me. I'm not too concerned about the length here, but it looks like 14 1/4. Thanks, bud. Got another one. Jig bite's picking up. Get in here. Not big today though. They're not biggins. Look at that. They are sitting on the bottom. He's got mud all over him, but they're still chunky. Probably another 13, 14 incher. 13 and a half. Just the cookie cutter Folsom spot, 14 incher. Got another one. Oh, this is a good one. That's a heavy fish. Yeah, that is a heavy fish. He's not giant in length, but that thing is solid. Jig fell right out too. 16 incher. £3. Let's see, can you see it on the screen? £3. All right, buddy. Thanks for playing. I got a limit now. What about you? You got 5? Got him.
Oh shit, dude. Woo! Oh, the jig popped out. Dude. Holy crap.
About a 4-pounder?
Oh yeah, dude. Sorry about that.
Oh yeah, it's on.
Okay. 368.
Scale's broken.
Scale's
It's bigger than that.
Look at that beast, dude.
That is. Wait, hold on, I didn't get it.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Get this thing on my board and get them out. Get back in the water, buddy. Alright, I'm good now. I got my limit.
And a beauty.
Oh shit, dude. That's a way to finish the day for me.
That's awesome. Damn, look at Sean, Mr. MLF over there.
Oh, dude, another nice one.
Yeah, you gotta go home.
I am gonna go home now. Thanks for the guide service today, though, man. That was awesome.
Hell yeah, I'm glad it was a good day.
Yeah, it was.
I mean, it hasn't been freaking off the chain or anything, but you got some quality fish today.
Yeah. Am I on video a couple times?
Yeah.
Freaking out.
Oh yeah. Later.
See ya. Double bogey bass.
Woo! Like and subscribe. All right, that's gonna do it though. That's gonna be the first video for 2026, and like I said earlier, not sure how much filming I'm gonna do this year, but I'll try to do as much as I can and stick with it and just grind it out. I appreciate all the support, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.